హాయ్ అండి, నేను మీ కళ్యాణి టీచర్. ఆల్రెడీ 7 వీడియోస్ అయితే అప్లోడ్ చేసాం మనము ద టీచర్ ఛానల్లో సైన్స్ కంటెంట్ గురించి. అండ్ అలాగే సైకాలజీ వీడియోస్ కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేశాను. ప్లేలిస్ట్లోకి వెళ్తే కనబడతాయి, కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేయండి. ఇవాళ అయితే సైన్స్ కంటెంట్కి సంబంధించి 8th వీడియో అనమాట. ద థ్రెడ్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇన్ ద న్యూక్లియస్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్. Plant and animal species which are found exclusively in a particular area are endemic species. The material used to prepare artificial silk, wood pulp. In William Nicholson's experiment, hydrogen bubbles are formed on negative electrode. A small bulb-like projection coming out from the yeast cell during reproduction is bud. The distance covered by an object in a unit time is speed. Example for non-magnetic material, plastic. The major gas present in our surrounding air is nitrogen. The bones of the skeleton that enclose the portion below our stomach, pelvic bones. In general, this vehicle is not used for the transport of goods, trams. The biggest and visible excretory organ in our body is skin. The person who helps us to carry luggage, porter. James Mill published the book A History of British India in 1817. The word lithosphere originates from Greek language. False statement about Jainism. 25 Tirthankaras enriched this religion is false. Main goal of Jainism is to attain moksha, true. Tirthankaras are the spiritual gurus of the Jainism, true. Panchavratas are the main doctrines of Jainism, true. The number of days taken by the moon to orbit the earth, 27 days. Please like, share and subscribe. Nelapattu Flamingo Bird Sanctuary is located at Pulicat Lake. Founder of Asiatic Society of Bengal, William Jones, identify the mismatched pair. Mangrove forest, deodars, silver fir spurs is mismatch. Evergreen forest, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, correct. Deciduous forest, teak, sal, bamboo is correct. Thorny forest, acacia, tumma, nagajamudu, correct. A popular harbour related to Indus civilization was found in this city, Lothal. This is not an example for civil case, theft case. The poisonous gas that caused Bhopal industrial disaster in 1984, methyl isocyanate. The suitable soil for the cultivation of cotton, black soil. This was called as the First War of Independence, 1857 revolt. Environmental science is a mechanism that protects or conserves environment is stated by UNESCO National Commission. Highest level of objective in affective domain, characterization. As per Edgar Dale's cone of experience, more learning happens in direct benefit experience. The act of creating and following a scene similar to a real life scene is known as simulation. The third step of the project is planning. A social studies teacher should have this quality. 1, 2, 3 మూడు ఉండాలి. గుడ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్, గుడ్ టూరిస్ట్, గుడ్ రీసెర్చర్. ఇక్కడతో ఈ 8th వీడియో అయితే కంప్లీట్ అయింది. రేపు 9th వీడియోలో మరికొన్ని బిట్స్ అయితే చూద్దాం. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.